All right, so this little box from Lakeside Marine is gonna change the way Coop and I fish and what we fish for, primarily. Let's get into it. All right, so I know you guys heard me and Coop complain that we don't have spot lock, or when we troll, we have to use my old foot pedal. But that's gonna change. Lakeside Marine has the Minn Kota head for the Powerdrive system. Now, we don't have Powerdrive on our boat. We have the cheap Minn Kota Edge that came with the tracker. Fortunately, Has Life Fishing donated this to us. So I'm gonna put that head on there, chop off a few inches of this here shaft, and make us a trolling motor with spot lock and navigation for the tracker. Let's go along for the ride. It seems like a pretty simple process. Shouldn't take long at all. Only need a few tools. Need a drill. And that's it, really, to change the head. Cut the shaft down. You need one of these. And that's it. All right, so first thing, there's 4 screws. Here, here, and 2 on the other side. Regular Phillips head. Now I've already taken 3 of them out to save time. But here, 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 and here, and your Minn Kota lid pops off. Powerdrive lid comes off. Don't lose that screw though. Oops. I got it. All right, once you do that, it exposes the head in here, which pretty basic power and ground. That's it. We're almost done already. We do have to take out 2 screws here. Uno. Those. Don't lose those little ones. You're gonna need those later on too. That pops out. The line holder. Now you take the new Minn Kota head with this cable. Run this cable through here. This thing we just took off. Put them back in there. Those 2 screws. Well, not that one. Always easier if you start them by hand a little bit. All right, those are back in. Finish running this through. Boom, lid's back on. All right, once you put the head back on, you gotta put those 4 bolts in, screws, 4 screws. 1 here, 1 down here, 1 up here, 1 down here. All right, so with that, pretty much 98% done. Next thing is I'm just gonna run this cord, the GPS cord, through here. I'm sure there's an easier way to do this, but why would I do it the easy way? Now the cord runs in the middle. All right, next up is probably the hardest. You gotta take the battery meter cover off. Boom, that's how hard it is. Take this off. Need my screw gun. It's just a wire stay. Pop that off. Put this one under there. Put the rest of them back. Give yourself enough room. Tighten it back down. As for the black and white cables, disconnect those from here. These 2 connect here, white to white, black to black. the two that are already on the two that are coming from the motherboard down here, you can just leave those jimmies black's ground so it's not gonna hurt anything. Put the old cover back on. The foot pedal control here goes to the new there we go. The cable we just ran from the head. Make sure those get lined up. Tighten those together. So obviously you can't run your foot pedal when you run the wireless remote. That's it. Let's go to the boat. All right, I'm out here at the boat, as you see. And before I mount it, well, I gotta take my old one off and mount the new one. Gotta pair the remote and make sure it's all working. Let's see how this goes. Let's plug in the power to the trolling motor. Same plug. Oh, it made some beeps. They said hold this down to pair it till it starts making a long beep like that. So what you gotta do is hold that pair button down and hold the top two, the auto nav and the bunny at the same time. It should beep 4 times. 4 beeps. There we go. Let's see, that's not touching. Let's try the remote. Oh, oh, it's moving. I just hit auto, or no, I don't know what I hit. I think it's adjusting. Oh, we're moving, folks. Oh, to the right, to the left. Let's slow down a little bit. Spot lock. Shee. Go. Hey, it seems like it's working. Whoa, don't know what that means. Whoa, we are rolling. Shut that off. All right, because I don't know how to turn it off, I'm just gonna unplug it. Spot lock, autopilot, has, you're the man, thank you, brother. Now, I gotta take my old one off and put the new one on. Hopefully, it's the same bolt holes. Hopefully.